Hello students, welcome to Hari Chemistry. So here this session, we will focus on electrochemical series. Okay, so electrochemical series is very important, and so here we have the standard reduction potential table. So don't by heart the standard reduction potential values, students. So just practice the problems once, twice, thrice. So it is easy to remember. Okay, so don't by heart all these numerical data. Okay, it is not important. Okay, so here what is electrochemical series? So electrochemical series means the elements are arranged in the increasing or decreasing order of their standard reduction potential on hydrogen scale, so is called electrochemical series. So what is electrochemical series, students? The elements which are arranged in the increasing or decreasing order of their standard reduction potential on hydrogen scale or on hydrogen scale is called electrochemical series. Okay, so here we have some standard reduction potential of various metals and non-metals. So here you can see, so this is a half cell reaction and this is a standard reduction potential. Okay, so here this is increasing order of standard reduction potential. This is increasing order of standard reduction potential from top to bottom. From here you can see, so this is a decreasing order from bottom to top. So this is decreasing order from bottom to top. This is increasing order from top to bottom. Okay, so here we will discuss some important points or applications of electrochemical series. Okay, here you can see, so the middle one is hydrogen. So this is a hydrogen electrode. The standard reduction potential of standard hydrogen electrode is 0.00 volts. Okay, so this is a reference electrode. Okay, so above the hydrogen scale you can see all the values are negative standard reduction potential. Remember, student, above the hydrogen scale you can see all the standard reduction potential values are assigned as negative electrode potential. So below the hydrogen scale, here all these electrode potentials are positive sign. Okay, so here this is the more or low reduction potential is assigned for lithium. So this is more or this is low standard reduction potential. So here you can see this is highest standard reduction potential. So the lithium is low standard reduction potential and fluorine has highest standard reduction potential. Nature of metals. First one is reducing nature of metals. Okay, the first application is reducing nature of these applications are very important, student. So reducing nature of metals. So here reducing nature of metals depends on the tendency to lose electron. The tendency to lose electrons. That is very important, students. So what is reducing nature of metals? The reducing nature of metals depends on the tendency to lose electrons. More the negative more negative standard reduction potential. More, the metal with more negative standard reduction potential is the more tendency to loss electrons. That is very, very important. So here the reducing nature of metals depends on the nature of tendency to loss electrons. So tendency to loss electrons. So which metal can lose electrons easily? So means the metal has more negative reduction potential. So the metal with more negative reduction potential, that is very, very important. The more negative reduction potential means it tendency to lose electrons easily. So here you can see the table, that is lithium has the more negative standard reduction potential. So more negative standard reduction potential means the tendency to lose electrons more easily. So that's why lithium is a strongest reducing agent. So lithium is a strongest reducing agent. So student, here the reducing power decreases from top to bottom. The reducing power decreases from top to bottom. Okay, here generally alkali and alkaline alkaline earth metals has alkaline earth metals acts as a strong reducing agents compared to the remaining other metals. So alkaline first year group element and second year group elements acts as strong reducing agent, but the lithium is the strongest reducing agent. So here, so this question was asked in IIT 1998 for 2 marks. Okay, so what is asking? The standard reduction potential of metallic cations X, Y and Z are. So the standard reduction potential value of X is 0.52 volts and the Y is minus 3.04 volts and Z minus 1.18 volts respectively. So what is asking? The order of reducing power. So the order of reducing power. So already we discussed, that is the reducing nature of metal. So what is reducing nature of metal? The reducing nature of metals depend on the nature of tendency to lose electrons. The more the negative reduction, more the negative standard reduction potential, more is the tendency to lose the electron. So therefore the given standard reduction potential of various metallic cations which has more negative standard reduction potential is more reducing power. So therefore Y greater than, and the next one is next one is minus 1.18 volts. So then here it is positive. So therefore the reducing order is Y greater than, Z greater than X. So oxidizing nature of non-metals depends on the nature of tendency to accept electrons. That is very, very important. So reducing nature of metals, that is tendency to lose electrons. So tendency to lose electron, but in this case oxidizing nature of non-metal, tendency to accept electrons. The more positive standard reduction potential is, the more positive standard reduction potential is, the more tendency to accept electrons. Okay, so more positive standard reduction potential, that means it accepts electrons strongly, means more tendency to accept electrons, that is oxidizing nature of non-metal. So here the standard reduction potential of fluorine is higher than remaining all other elements in electrochemical series. So therefore, fluorine is a strong oxidizing. Fluorine is a strongest oxidizing agent. Fluorine is a strongest oxidizing agent. Strongest oxidizing. So it is strongest oxidizing agent means fluorine is the weakest reducing agent. Clear? So the tendency to accept electrons, the more positive standard reduction potential is the more tendency to accept electrons. So therefore the fluorine has more positive standard reduction potential than remaining other elements in electrochemical series. Therefore the fluorine is the strongest oxidizing agent. Of the halide ions, dash is the most powerful reducing agent. So this question was asked in 1978 for 1 marks in IIT G. Okay, so which halide ion is the strong reducing agent? So generally the reducing ability, the standard reduction potential values are increases from top to bottom, but the reducing ability is decreases from top to bottom. So here the fluorine is a powerful oxidizing agent, but it is not a strong reducing agent, remember. Okay, so therefore generally we have halide ions F minus, Cl minus, Br minus and high minus. Okay, so we will write the standard reduction potential of these halide ions, that is plus 2.87 volts for fluorine, and the chlorine is 1.36 and bromine is 1.06, iodine is plus 0.53 volt. So here the reducing, the standard reduction potential is comparatively, compared to fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine has the lowest standard reduction potential. So the element which is lowest reduction potential is reducing agent. So means the ability to lose electron, the tendency to lose electron. So here the low standard reduction potential is the reducing agent. So therefore here, so I minus is the more reducing power than the Br minus, than the chlorine minus and F minus. So F minus is the strong oxidizing agent. Okay, so that's why it is a weak reducing agent. I minus is a weakest oxidizing agent and it is a strong oxidizing agent comparative in group only. So therefore, what is the correct answer? I minus is the most powerful reducing agent in halide group only. Okay, so that's why I minus is the correct answer. Okay, right. Next questions. See the students. The standard reduction potential at 298 Kelvin for the following half cell reaction are given. So here, so zinc Zn plus 2, chromium plus 3 and H plus and Fe plus 3. So here what is asking in this question, which is the strongest reducing agent? So already we know very well, students, all these are metal ions only. So comparative to the hydrogen scale. So already we discussed that is the more negative value, the more negative standard reduction potential is the more strong, more reducing agent. Okay, so more reducing, it is able to lose electron. So here you can see the negative values and positive values also there. So the more negative value means more tendency to lose electron. So therefore in this given scale, so minus 0.76, minus 0. You can see this table also. So minus 0.76, minus 0.74 and 0, 0. So means the positive value of hydrogen and the positive value of Fe plus 3 also. So which is a strong reducing agent means the lowest reduction potential. The lowest standard reduction potential is the strongest reducing agent. So therefore, so the reduction potential of zinc is less than compared to this remaining all off cell reaction. So therefore option A is the correct answer. So therefore here the zinc is the strongest reducing agent among these following half cell reaction. Was asked in IITG 2009. Okay, so what is the question? For the reduction of NO3 minus ion in an aqueous solution, E0 is plus 0.96 volts. Values of some metal ions are given below. So here what he is asking, so some reduction potential of various metal he has mentioned, vanadium, iron, rhodium and mercury. So what he is asking, the pair of metal that is oxidized by NO3 minus. So means which metals are oxidized by NO3 minus in aqueous solution. So please see the students, you can the NO3 minus reduction potential compared to these various metal ions, only the Rm plus 3 has more reduction potential than the given NO3 minus ion reduction potential. So means here it has more reduction potential than the given NO3 minus ion reduction potential. So means here these metal ion cannot be oxidized. Okay, so we will remove the option, the metal, the pair which is having combining with Rm, so we can remove the option C. So means Rm cannot be oxidized by NO3 minus. So therefore here the species which are less reduction potential, less standard reduction potentials than NO3 minus, that is E0 plus 0.96 volts, can be oxidized by NO3 minus, can be oxidized by NO3 minus. So means which metal ions has less reduction potential than NO3 minus. So these metals can be oxidized by NO3 minus ion. So therefore the given pair vanadium, mercury, iron and iron, vanadium. So all these three options are correct. So therefore the correct pair is A, B, D. So means vanadium and mercury can oxidized by NO3 minus, and mercury and iron can be oxidized by NO3 minus, and iron and vanadium cannot be oxidized by can be oxidized by NO3 minus. Okay, so but option C, Fe and Rm, so Rm cannot be oxidized by NO3 minus because Rm has more reduction potential than E0 of NO3 minus. So option C is the wrong answer. The remaining three options are correct.